Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add numbers on Canva Docs. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are on my Canva. So let me go to the create and just take the docs here. So here we have that docs page. Let me make it page. I have just added 3 to page here. Okay, so what I can do as of now, in Canva Docs there is no any option to add you know page number, but we can try that Canva AI. Okay, so you can go to the Canva AI and just prompt it. Okay, put page numbers on every page. Okay, just give the prompt. Let me see if it's work or not. It's working. Okay, so now it's saying that done, task is complete. We have added the page number. Every page on your document, they appear center at the bottom of each page, but you can see there is no any numbers here, but they have added on page number 1 on top. Okay, so you can give another prompt. You have added on page number 4 only, which is also wrong. You take page number 1 on page number 4. So I want page number from start on all page. Okay, I just give the another prompt here. So let it see. Okay guys, so I use that Canva AI, but it's not work properly. They only put page number on the page which you have selected. So now it's asking just select another page and give the prompt to add the page number. So this is a very lengthy process. You can try it. Okay, or you can simply add page number at your own. Okay, just select first number page and zoom in if you want, and type page number like this, page 1. You can just select and cut it. Now if you want to make it bottom, just keep your cursor on bottom, just paste this page number here, select now and change the align, make it center. Now copy it, go to the page number 2, come at bottom. You need to add manually. Okay, so you need to add on every page like this. Okay, so just change that page number, and this is my last page. Four. Okay, now come here and start your content like this. We have page number still there. Okay, so that is option you can use to add page number on Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.